It's cold in New York City for New Year's Eve. He's got that big red scarf on.
But it's fun.
It is fun. I know you've been there before.
I was there last year.
But you're here
I'm
here
now, and it's drastically different.
The temperatures are going down here, though, tonight as well.
Indeed. Just a little bit, but not enough to really worry about. I'll give you all the details on that just a little bit. First, let's go outside. Wonderful. It's a beautiful New Year's Eve here. We're looking at about 60 degrees at this time, and that's unusual. Now, when that clock strikes midnight for 2011, mostly clear skies and winds out of the north about 7 to 10 miles per hour. Temperatures are going to pretty much stay at about the 78-degree mark, and that's not bad at all for this time of year. Right now across the area, it's 64 in Rockdale, it's 60 degrees in Lampasas, and 59 in Burnet. It is 67 degrees in LaGrange, 67 in Lockhart, and 64 in San Marcos. Very warm. Partly cloudy skies are at Camp Mabry, and 64, and it's still 66 degrees at the airport. Our dew points are a little on the low level. That little bit of moisture we had really it helped, but didn't help at the same time. We are still working with a deficit so far as rain goes. Now, wind-wise, another problem. Winds out of the northeast. We have northerly flow right now, so those winds are kicking up at the airport at about 17 miles per hour, and that is indeed putting us at a little bit of a risk for fire danger weather continuing, mainly because, sure, we did have some rain a few days ago, but it's still just so remarkably dry, it's not necessarily helping. You know what else it's not helping? Our allergy forecast. Right now, we're looking at cedar, which is making its appearance. It pretty much peaks right around early February, and it's here in full force right now, and the high side, and mold in the medium right there at 612 parts per million. We're going to go ahead and forecast both of them high for tomorrow as well. Temperatures across the area, it's 53 right now if you're traveling for any New Year's events there in Dallas. It's 38 chilly degrees in Oklahoma City, 75 in Houston, and 76 in Corpus Christi at this hour. Our storm forecast, we put this into motion, and notice how the trough itself pretty much lifts off to the northeast. Now, our flow becomes pretty zonal over the next few days, which means our temperatures are actually going to level out once the trough itself finally moves all the way out of the area. Clouds and radar-wise, we're not really doing much anything. Our clouds really much go away because of the dry air that's setting up camp around us. Even into motion into Saturday afternoon, notice nothing doing, maybe just a high cloud here and there over to the west of us, moving in by Sunday, but just passing in nature. That's about the size of it. So, forecast lows tonight are going to be on the chilly side. Again, it's because of the dry air, the northerly flow, and our lack of moisture in the air. So we're looking at 37 degrees in Rockdale, 38 overnight in Giddings, and in the hill country there, Burnet, about 33 degrees, and 34 in Llano in the overnight hours. Highs for everybody, again, we do get above average for tomorrow, 61 in Rockdale, 62 in Giddings, 63 tomorrow for our high in Lakeway, and 64 degrees to the south of us in Lockhart. Overnight, just a passing cloud here and there, 39, northeasterly breeze about 5 to 10 miles per hour, and then tomorrow still not bad at all, 63 degrees and mostly clear for the first day of 2011, if you can believe it. 63 for the high tomorrow. Sunday dips down just a little bit again as we have that trough come through. 58, the low of 31. Notice how the evening temperatures do actually get pretty chilly. 32 right at freezing by Monday, 60 degrees for our high, and then into Tuesday, 63 as well. But we do have that next front coming through Wednesday and Thursday. Our rain chances do increase. We are keeping an eye on this, of course, as it comes closer to us by the end of the week. And of course, you can always get your latest forecast at KXAN.com. We'll have more for you coming up on the other side of the break. Keep it here.